Huh? Leo doesn't like you? Huh, Bastian? Why he doesn't like you? Huh? You're not friends? Huh? Huh? What did you do the whole day here, huh? You're going back to the other room? Do you wanna go back to the other room? Huh? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong with your eyes? You already put the medicine, huh? You'll be fine tomorrow, Bastian. We'll put again another drops tomorrow, huh? You're such a good girl. Who's the good girl? Who's my good girl? Who's my good girl? Huh? Who's my good girl? You and Leia were left earlier today, huh? Huh? What did you do here? Huh? Bastian, what did you do here? Huh? Did you play or not? Do you wanna go back to the other room? Huh? Kara is Kara is in the other room. Leo doesn't like you, huh? Leo doesn't like you. Why? Why Leo doesn't like you, baby? Huh? He doesn't like other cats. Just ignore him, huh? Bastian girl, just ignore Leo, huh? He keeps on hissing, huh? He doesn't like other cats. He only likes Kara, Toby, and Max. Other cats, he doesn't like them. What did you do? You didn't play. You did not play today, huh? Kaloy, Bastian. Your eyes will be fine. You have to go back to the other room, huh? No, Bastian. I have a meeting after 30 minutes, Bastian. I have an online meeting after 30 minutes. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Who's the cutest? Who's the cutest baby? Who's the cutest baby? What's the name of the cutest baby? What's the name of the cutest baby? What happened to your eyes? What happened to your eyes? Huh? Huh? Leo, you don't like Sebastian? Huh? Why you don't like Sebastian? Huh? Why you don't like Sebastian, girl? You don't like to play with her? You want Kara? You want Kara, Leo? Huh? You want Kara to be here? Leo, do you want Kara to be here? Did you eat or no? You have to drink water, Leo, huh? Leo, you should drink water. We have to go back to the vet on the weekend, huh, Leo? We'll go back on Friday. You'll be a good boy, huh? Leo, you'll be a good boy on Friday, huh? You have to enter into the cage, huh? Huh? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a sweet boy? Who's a sweet boy? Who's a sweet boy? Who's the sweet girl? Who's the sweet girl? Huh? Huh? You already put some ointment in your eyes, huh? Tomorrow we have to put it again, huh? Once you'll be okay, you have to go back to the other room, huh? Sarah is there. She's alone. She might be looking for you. Sebastian? You didn't miss Sira? You didn't miss Sira? Oh, you have to bring Sira here, huh? Huh? I have to bring Sira here, huh? Sebastian, you have to bring Sira here, huh? Sebastian, dalahin natin dito si Sira, ha? You have to play with Sira. Sweet girl, oh. Sweet girl, oh. Big girl like, huh? Where's the big girl? Where's the big girl? Kalami, ang lubot, ang lubot, ang lubot, ang lubot. Makita ang lubot. Where's the sweet girl? Huh? Where's the sweet girl? Alami. Where's my sweet girl? Where's the sweet girl? Kalawa sa Sebastian. Go down now, go down. No, you don't have to stay there. You have to go down. Come here. Come here. Where's the sweet girl? Where's the sweet girl?